Good morning, everyone. Once again, my name is Pastor Chukwemeka Samuel. I want to appreciate everyone who has been with us on this journey of raising a worship place for our ministry. As we all know, we're in a place where we are worshiping, and they gave us quick notice, and we called upon our partners to support us to get a place for ourselves. And you have been there for us. We got this place leased, and we have started the work. We had wanted to put up a tent, but as conversations went on with the owners of the land and with the engineer and everything, we realized that it's better we put up something more permanent, more formidable, more stronger. So the budget we had when we were starting, that was just going to be enough to put up a tent, is no longer going to be enough for us to do what we are doing now. And so this is where we are. We have laid a foundation for the children church, for the offices. Of course, why we have to start there is because on top of it is going to be also part of the auditorium, as you can see. Because of the topography of the land, it was necessary for us to do it this way. So looking from here, this is going to be just the hall, but under it is where we have the children's section and offices and all that. So we have decked, and what is waiting for us now is just to now begin to raise the walls and then roof. The moment we roof, we can even start meeting here while we trust God for money to do the finishings. So presently now, to do the roofing, that's to raise the wall now and do the roofing, is over 20 million. Please, we are trusting God that will touch you to support once again. God bless you.